Hello everyone, welcome to Geo Info 5 YouTube channel. My channel is motivation, understanding, and easy learning, knowledge, innovative education to awareness related to health. Everybody, useful news will become to you. Thank you so much support me and thank you for joining with us. Today we see one interesting topic related to our Indian government making this app by migovernment.in. This is one website is there, official website of our Indian government. You go on the website to download this app, and Play Store also available. Why this app is making means how many cases are in there in your surrounding, your safe zone or not. You can easily find out this app should be helping for you. Available in 11 different languages you can utilize for these apps. You can if this app is very helpful for you, find out which group of people you are near any area, alert will become your which type of is there. We can see one by one. First we'll go installation app, go to Play Store, down, again installation, you can wait few minutes. Now this app is open. So many language is there. Which language you are comfortable, you can select it. Now I select for English. For everybody to comfortable to, for that purpose I select English. Otherwise which region you can do select for them. Next you given for them. Next, this Arokya Shita. This app is mainly for Bluetooth based. Location will be generally social graphics interaction with someone who should be tested with COVID-19 positives. First one is this app installation we are doing, and location sharing is very important. You and your Bluetooth of your mobile. After installation, give the next. You read the instruction about everything. Next, go for registration now. There's some terms and condition given, understanding about what are the regarding given. For example, your device location will be compulsory to want to allow for them. Data sharing allow karna padenge, and Bluetooth also you want to allow for them. You give for allow only using this app. Allow all the times you want to, which one you want to work. Whenever I am using, that time only I given this. Allow when I am using, I give agree. They are asking first open the location. Next they are asking, then OTP will be sent to your mobile number automatically. The open. Now see, you are safe. So main things they given instruction: maintain the social distance, take the self assessment, check your regular updates, everything you can do for these apps. And especially namaskar you want to follow. Our Indian culture should be following handshake, avoid the social gathering, and keep the 6 feet, that all 6, and some UTP related regarding. If you have anything, you can see everything also. You can share it these apps to your friends or anybody you can do. They given specific account number, prime ministers. If you want to share any funds, you can do for also. Next one is your status. You can see your status. What is your status? You can see this is a status. The next one is self assess. Self assess. Please give correct answer. If you want to give the correct answer. First one is they are asking, are you have experienced any following symptoms? You have cough or fever or difficult to breathing, none of you. I have nothing, so I give none of you. Have you ever had any following: diabetes, hypertension, lungs, heart attack? No. I have no anything, so I given none of. If suppose you have diabetes, hypertension, if anything, you can give for them. Everybody can installation your mobile. Now everybody can use the smartphone, so very helpful for you. You have traveled anywhere international last 14 days. Suppose you are going to abroad, they're asking about out of country anything. So if you come from out of country, you want to give as otherwise? No. Which of the following apply you? I have recently tested or live to someone have tested with positive COVID-19. Suppose somebody say they are testing with COVID-19. I am health worker and I have examined with COVID-19 confirmed with cases without protect care. For example, you are supposed to have nurse or your doctors, whatever paramedical, whatever there you want to give according to which one is there. Suppose you have recently interact with any COVID affected person, means you want to give first one. Otherwise, you are paramedical that like medical field related, you can give second one. Otherwise, none of them. Your infection is risk is low. We have recommended that stay home, avoid any changes exposed to novel coronavirus. They telling self assessment if you want to do. If you want to self assessment, you go and visit www.mohfw.go.in. Okay, this is official website. Next one is, this is COVID affected. Nowadays, how many people are affecting our India? 19,984 people are affecting. How many people recovery? That like don't get panic. This is a state wise given for them. This is for the update purpose only they given. So don't get about the panics. So you can keep the distance and hand washing. Use the N96 mask. So that like you keep it, protect yourself unnecessarily, don't go roaming, avoiding yourself, protect yourself. That is a very important to prevent from the coronavirus. Especially frequently wash your hands. This is e-pass. Frequently, suppose you have any doubt regarding, you can ask this like for them. This is a Bluetooth. If you click the Bluetooth, if you want to share it, you can do share it. Second, this is for them, each of them. For this, if you want to close, you can close for them. Next one is, if you want to change the language, you can change the language for them. That's all from this app. Again, I open one more time, same thing. If you want to see anything frequently, check your updates. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubts regarding these apps, you command me, I will explain it. Please subscribe Geo Info 5. Don't forget, click the bell icon, say notified all times for you. Next, we can see you next on innovative videos for you. Thank you. And one more thing, this is also I told no that official website. You go on Ministry of Health and Family Welfare website, you see the cases of everything, update your knowledge, and helpline is there. You can contact anytime. And mental related quarantined people, they guiding for the mental health related guidelines also. Be safe, stay with your home, stay with the family members. Thank you.
இதுவரை ஜெயம் இன்ஃபோ 5 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே இருக்க ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இது போல அருமையான வீடியோவை உங்களுக்காக காத்திருக்கு.